Today I am getting ready for a party. This look is simple and doable, moreover beginner friendly. This is one brand tutorial just using Blue Heaven products. I created this look with all these products I have today with me in this box. I have Blue Heaven Hyper Matte Foundation. I am excited to talk about this foundation in detail. I have HD All-in-One Makeup Stick, Matte Finish Compact Powder, Eyebrow Enhancer, Kajal Plus Liner in Jet Black, Extreme Length Mascara and Blue Heaven Intense Matte Lipstick. So I thought to share this quick makeup before a party with you all. And if you want to know how I got this look, then keep watching. I have moisturized my skin well. You can apply primer after this also if you want. This is outer paper packaging of Blue Heaven Hyper Matte Foundation. First thing I noticed that it has SPF 25 PA++. So it must be a great one for this hot summer, which will protect your skin from harmful UV rays. They have provided shade guide. This foundation comes in 7 shades: vanilla, rose vanilla, natural, natural sand, honey, honey tan and caramel. You can choose according to your skin tone and undertone. You can check key ingredients from here. 30 ml net quantity and priced at ₹200 only. This is a beautiful sturdy glass bottle. I'm really impressed with this classy packaging. Just unbelievable quality in this price range. It has convenient pump which has lock-unlock system. This is locked and move to unlock. It has lightweight liquid formula. You can see this is not so thick, ideal for all skin types, highly pigmented. Today I am using shade vanilla. I am applying the foundation with a damp sponge starting from center to outwards of the face. This foundation has hydrating base, it's non-pore clogging, it's waterproof and I am not sweating also, so I hope it's long lasting. As Blue Heaven Hyper Matte Foundation provides buildable coverage, I layer it up with some more product to get my desired coverage or finish. You may choose according to your requirement like natural finish, medium coverage or full coverage like this. It gives me a nice matte look. I can see it's not totally dry matte also. I can see a natural glow. I hope you are also able to see it. So yes, Blue Heaven Hyper Matte Foundation blurs imperfections, gives a natural finish and evens out skin tone. This is Blue Heaven HD All-in-One Makeup Stick. This matte waterproof stick you can use as foundation, concealer, contour and color correct. They have total 6 shades to choose. I am using this makeup stick to highlight, brighten up and to cover some imperfections. I am blending it out with the same sponge. Next is Blue Heaven Oil Control Matte Finish Compact Powder. It has SPF 25 PA++. See the look of the box. I just really love the quality. I am using a powder brush. Get rid of excess product. I am applying on my T-zone and areas tend to crease. Blue Heaven Brow Perfect Eyebrow Enhancer Pencil plus Comb. Shade is Honey Brown. A nice pulley brush at one side and eyebrow pencil at other side. Let me quickly brush my eyebrows. Then fill the gaps and darken a little. Honey brown shade will give you a natural look. Now I'll line my eyes with Blue Heaven Kajal Plus liner in jet black. One side is eyeliner and another side is kajal. Very convenient. This is smudge-proof, waterproof, lightweight and gives one stroke finish. I am going for little wink liner today. I want my eyes to open a little wider, so I am leaving the waterline and applying kajal on lower lash line. I hope you can clearly see that this eye is looking much bigger than the other. Please take a moment and consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for all my upcoming videos. Now let me apply mascara to complete my eye look. See, it has conical tip, so it's easy to apply on even smaller lashes. Blue Heaven Intense Matte Lipstick. Shade number is 303 Heartbeat. Using the same lipstick as blusher, it will add a little color to my face. This lipstick is matte but non-drying and glides easily on my lips. If you are looking for a bright party red color, you can definitely go for it. Let me add some accessories and comb my hair nicely and I am ready. I tried these Blue Heaven products for the first time today and I am impressed. Product qualities are really good. Packaging, look wise, I can say just wow, nothing else. Moreover, price range is unbelievably affordable. Everyone, especially beginners, may definitely try them out. Hope you like the video. See you soon in my next video. Take care.